Hi everyone. Today I'd like to tell you a little bit about running comparison reports in LoadNinja. So what we're going to do is go to our projects tab, and I'll pick one that I know has a lot of test results. That would be demo. So I'll go in there, open it up, and I'll go over to test runs. As you can see, we have quite a few test runs that we've run. And what we're going to do, you'll see that the compare button is grayed out. We're going to select 2 or more tests to compare. I'll do 2 today for simplicity's sake. And as soon as I clicked on the second one, the compare button was no longer grayed out and it's now usable. So all we have to do now is press the button. The report's generated. And we can see that basically what we're doing is comparing 2 runs. We have run 1, run 2. If there was a test run name, you'd see it here. The test was started at a certain time. You'll see those times and the completion times. The duration is the same at 30 minutes. Runtime is a little bit different, and that's only because even if they're configured for the same amount of time, the actual runtime is going to vary a little bit because each virtual user needs to complete its iteration before the test goes idle at the end. And sometimes, depending on what's going on, one may take a lot longer to shut down. And that's what happened here. Ramp up time's the same, etc. Now, let's take a look at our charts, and you'll see this is very different. In a normal report, what we're seeing is that the charts get generated for us. Here, you create your own chart. So you look at exactly what you want to in this comparison report. We'll add a chart, and you see that here are the things that we can compare. Script 1, version 2, version 3, 4, 5, 6, and no version. These are 6 different scripts that are running during the test, and you can compare all 6 against all 6, 1 against 1. You can do what you want here. I'm going to select just the first one. Now we select the metrics that we want to include. I'll include virtual users, total response time, and error counts. We'll add that, and here's our chart. We have everything all created. Here are our virtual users, and everything else is shown right here in the chart. And we can add additional charts if we want to. Let's take a look at response times. So we go back in. Here are our average response times, minimum, maximum, standard deviation, etc. And you're comparing run 1 against run 2. And it's done for each of these all the way down. So it's nice. You can compare one run against the other very easily here. And here, in the case of errors, instead of being presented with a list of errors, you're comparing errors such as total errors, assertions, timeouts, page errors between run 1 and run 2. As we can see, run 2, not only did we see earlier that it took a lot longer to run, it didn't perform as well, had a lot more errors. So obviously some work was done on that application between the runs, and then it came back with no errors and performed a heck of a lot better. And that's it. That's what I'm going to show you today in comparison reports. Look forward to seeing you in future videos. Thank you very much.